If you want to protect your home from intruders, your first step should be prevention. In this video I'll show you 5 inexpensive but effective ways you can deter burglars and protect your home. Most burglars don't like risky situations and they almost always look for easy targets. Therefore, all you have to do is give them the impression that breaking into your house is simply not worth a try. Although there's a continuous decrease in the number of burglaries, there are still more than 1 million break-ins in the US each year. Let's see how you can prevent home invasions on a budget. 1. Install an outdoor motion sensor light. Criminals love dark spots. Those are the places where they can hide and remain unnoticed. While most of the burglaries in the US occur during the day, it's important to reduce the risk of a nighttime intrusion as well. An outdoor motion sensor light is an inexpensive and effective solution to deter burglars. Make sure you install it at least 10 feet high so that intruders can't reach or damage it easily. Opt for a model that's powered by batteries so you can install it quickly and easily wherever you want. Note that motion sensor lights usually won't scare burglars away if they know that you're not at home or if you live in a quiet, low-traffic area. 2. Keep your car key next to your bed while sleeping. Sometimes criminals break into your house at night when you're at home and sleeping. If you don't have a reliable alarm system, nothing will deter them when they get in. It's not always advisable to come face to face with the intruders, especially if you're alone. So, how can you spook them? If you're woken up by strange noises, just press the alarm or panic button on your car's keychain. That will most likely discourage invaders in the safest way possible without having to confront them. 3. Install a real or a dummy security camera. Security cameras can indeed deter burglars. Most of them won't risk approaching your home if they notice a security camera. Don't have illusions, some of them won't be deterred by a surveillance system, but at least you can significantly reduce the threat. It's important that if you really want to discourage criminals, you should have cameras looking at every entrance of your house or apartment, including windows. You may not want to spend your money on a real security camera, and that's okay. A dummy security camera can serve as an effective visual deterrent, with the obvious disadvantage of not being capable of recording anything. There are many models available in the stores. Make sure you buy one that's not very popular so that burglars won't recognize it. 4. Pretend you have a guard dog or keep one. Does having a dog really deter burglars? Yes, most of the times it does. But don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you to keep a dog for the sole purpose of scaring crooks away. Dogs are certainly one of the most effective deterrents, and most intruders avoid properties with dogs. However, once you get one, you must care about it. That takes both time and money. So don't keep a dog just to be your living alarm system. Instead, pretend that you have one. Place a large bowl close to the entrance and leave a big muzzle and a leash in plain sight somewhere in the yard. Also, put some warning signs or stickers in clearly visible places that make it obvious that there's a dangerous canine nearby. 5. Use a fake home security system sign. If you're on a budget and want to deter burglars, using a fake security system sign often can be powerful enough to spook them. Again, like in the case of a dummy camera, it's important to choose a sign and a decal that's not popular and can't be recognized by burglars as a fake one. Using fake signs and stickers as deterrents is a quick and cheap solution, however, it's key that they must be convincing. It's better not to mention any non-existent company name because burglars may Google it and realize that it's just a fake one. You can also create your own unique security system sticker or sign. If you don't know how to use an image editing software, you can have it designed for a few bucks online and print it at home. If you liked the video, visit our website Dailyhomesafety.com, where you'll find many more highly effective tips to deter burglars. Thank you for watching.